Biohacking, also known as DIY biology or grinder culture, is a broad and interdisciplinary field that encompasses various practices and techniques aimed at enhancing or modifying the human body, biology, or overall well-being. Biohackers use a combination of biology, technology, and self-experimentation to optimize physical and mental performance, improve health, and explore the limits of human potential. Biohacking can encompass a wide range of activities, including 1. DIY biology. Some biohackers engage in DIY biology experiments, such as genetic engineering, gene sequencing, or microbiome analysis, often in non-traditional or community labs. 2. Cryonics. A more extreme form of biohacking. Cryonics involves preserving a deceased person's body at very low temperatures with the hope of future revival through advanced medical technologies. 3. Implants and wearables. Some biohackers experiment with implantable devices or RFID, radio frequency identification, chips for various purposes, such as convenience, personal identification, or health monitoring. 4. Nutritional hacking. This involves manipulating one's diet to achieve specific health or performance goals, such as weight loss, muscle gain, or improved cognitive function. Some biohackers may follow specialized diets like ketogenic, paleolithic, or intermittent fasting. 5. Supplementation. Biohackers may experiment with various supplements, vitamins, and nootropics, cognitive enhancers, to improve mental clarity, focus, and physical performance. 6. Biofeedback and mindfulness. Biohackers may use techniques like meditation, biofeedback, and neurofeedback to gain better control over their physiological and psychological processes. 7. Intermittent fasting. This practice involves cycling between periods of eating and fasting, which some believe can have various health benefits, including weight loss and improved metabolism. 8. Sleep enhancement. Techniques to improve the quality and duration of sleep, such as adjusting sleep schedules, using sleep tracking devices, and exploring sleep aids. It's important to note that while biohacking has gained popularity and attention, it is not without controversy and potential risks. Experimenting with one's biology, especially without proper knowledge and oversight, can lead to adverse consequences. Ethical considerations and safety should always be a part of any biohacking practice. Additionally, not all biohacking practices have scientific backing, and claims of effectiveness should be critically evaluated. Consultation with healthcare professionals is advisable for any significant modifications to health and well-being practices. Subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching.